Hello there. Have you lost someone you depended on for almost everything? Or are you dependent solely on someone like your husband, your wife, your relation, your friend, or something like your property or job for your financial needs? Have you thought of life without that someone or something? Perhaps it's time to consider an online business opportunity. If you really have a desire to change the way things are currently, especially in the area of finance and time freedom, then keep watching as I'll go straight to the point. Some time ago, the unexpected happened and I wasn't prepared. I lost someone very dear to me that I depended on so much that he left me devastated, and I found myself having to start life all over again. I moved into a smaller apartment and cut down on a lot of things that I had to do only things that were necessary in order to pay my bills and debt. It was really hard picking myself up every day as different thoughts came to mind, and I had several nights of weeping and praying. While cleaning my phone one of these days, I stumbled on a YouTube video. As I listened to the speaker, I could see myself being rescued from financial debt and hardship, as he spoke of how owning his online business rescued his marriage from divorce and gave him more time to be with his family. This inspired me to click the link he provided for a free training, and truly and honestly, I got more than I bargained for. The training inspired me to take the next step to positively influence my future, as I realized that I had nothing to lose. I'm offering you the same training with the hope that it will help you to become and remain financially independent like it's doing for me. There is a learn more link at the bottom of this video that you can click to provide your name and email address to get the free training. Imagine a life where you are in total control of your finances, where you do not have to depend on anyone, especially for basic needs. You have a home that is not choked up with stuff for lack of space, a car that does not need regular mechanic visits, appliances that are guaranteed to work when required, and most of all, peace of mind that your future is secure. You can begin to build your finances today and prepare yourself no matter what happens. The beauty of it is that you can fit it around your paid job if you have one, by adjusting or rearranging your schedule just a little bit. It is possible and doable if you put your mind to it. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. You know you have greatness in you. Just click the learn more button and provide your name and email address and get instant access to the free training. The training, which is being updated regularly, has simple business models that will teach you how to sell products for profit, even if you do not have your own products yet. It allows you to go through the training step by step and at your pace, bearing in mind that it requires some initial hard work and commitment. It also helps you to decide if owning your own online business is a good fit for you. I hope I've been able to make that connection and add just some value that will inspire you to take action. I look forward to seeing you on the inside, as owning your own online business may just be the game changer in the achievement of your overall goals. I wish you all the best. Take care, stay blessed, inspired, and grateful.